What is PDR and how does it actually work? Paintless Dent Repair, or PDR, is the art of taking a dent out of aluminum or steel paneling on automobiles without using any paint or Bondo. So it is actually the technique of relieving the pressure that has created the dent in the first place. When paintless dent repair is performed correctly, the dent is actually removed where the paint is not broken. Top 3 advantages of using paintless dent repair instead of a conditional body repair. You retain your original factory finish without disturbing the paint. You have not diminished the value of the vehicle in any way. And a lot of times it is much quicker and it is definitely more efficient, which saves you money in time and energy and loss of vehicle. American Dent Specialist is the leader in paintless dent repair here in Houston, Texas. We've been in the Houston market for 25 years. Come see us at American Dent Specialist. We're here to help.